This is about GitHub Student Developer Pack for education. So how you can get GitHub education for free using your IITK mail ID and then explore the various offers that you get under Student Developer Pack and the GitHub Pro while you are a student. So how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack using IITK mail ID? For that, just go to education.github.com and click on Get a Student Pack and then sign into your GitHub account which you have created with an IITK mail ID and then verify using the IITK mail ID, and then in no time you can get the GitHub Pro for education and the various offers under it. So let's see. Open Chrome tab and go to education.github.com. There click on Join Campus, Join Global Campus, then sign up for Student Developer Pack. Then get student benefits. Then sign into your GitHub account which you have created using IITK mail ID. So make sure that you create a GitHub account using IITK mail ID. If you have not created an account, then you can create a new account using your IITK mail ID. So when you will log in and sign in into it, then you will get the GitHub Pro for education as well as the offers. So let me show mine. So that's when I go to education.github.com, I see this window. Just a second. Yeah, I see this window. So these are all the offers that I get in it, and then all these events. So let me just sign out first. Okay, so now I click on the same Join Campus and then sign up for Student Developer Pack and then get student benefits. Once I do that, because I have already logged into my IITK mail ID, so I get up here and you can see that it's written you have already submitted one request which was approved on June 3, 2021. So I'm already using GitHub Pro for education and the student benefits. So what all benefits do I get? Just go to education.github.com and you will be redirected to the benefits. There I get the student developer pack offers which have these all the great offers, and then all those events which I can attend, those online events, and then the campus TV and all those things. So you can explore out all those things. What are these things? What do I can get from them? For now, let's go to explore more offers, which is the greatest thing that one get in GitHub. So GitHub Student Developer Pack. So there are two experiences that you can join: the virtual event kit and the intro to FabTab. You can learn more about it on clicking on that. And then these are the and then these are all the offers that you get. You can go to design and then you will get all the offers related to design, that is like Canva. So you will get free 12-month subscription of Canvas Pro while you are a student. Then Brute Studio, you get a free license while you are a student. And then similarly Icon Squad, you get to download 60 premium icons per month for 1 year, and then all those things that you get under it. You can explore out more about it in the for any offer. There's about column and then there is a benefit column. So in the about column you can know about that particular offer, and then in the benefit you can know about the benefits of that particular icon. So suppose like JetBrains is there, so in about you can know what is JetBrains. It is a professional desktop ID, and then benefits, you get a free subscription for students to be renewed annually. So you can just go to the site and you can get this student benefit. And similarly there are other great options. On the all column you will get the list of all the benefits that you get, and the list is overwhelming at first, and really great benefits are there. Suppose like there is a tech benefit, tech domain and other benefits. So you can explore out the various benefits that you get under it, which is endless of course, as you see, and you will be able to explore it more and more as you need any of these offers while you are a student. So You can of course explore out all those things and know about them more and more. Hope you enjoyed using GitHub Student Developer Pack. Have a great time using GitHub for education. Thank you.